Have you ever heard about Isla Saona? No? Wow, then you're missing out, because this is the place to be in the Dominican Republic, and you're watching the right video. This is ZoubeirsWorld. Welcome to the Dominican Republic.
Where do you come from?
Morocco.
Moroccan, but... Alright, go.
Alright, the first stop is natural pool. Isla Saona is right over there. Oh, look at the water. Alright. Okay, so this is the first stop. This place is called the Natural Pool. We are not at Isla Saona yet. We have 40 minutes to chill here in the Natural Pool. The only thing I have to remember is the name of this boat, Naya. As you can see, there are so many boats. And yeah, you can get easily lost if you go a little bit further. Just like what I'm going to do right now. This is so different than Jamaica. Even when Jamaica is a neighbor country, neighbor island, it's so different. The water is different, the atmosphere is different. So I left the group. The whole group stayed close to the boat. But I want to go to the beach. And let's see if they are going to leave me behind. So every 30 seconds I look back, because I don't want to see my group leaving without me. But as always, I'm a little bit of an adventurer. I like to take small risks and do something that other people don't do. At least on my boat, nobody came on the beach. Why not? If you can, you can, right? So, man, this is tropical paradise. Man, where's my boat? Oh yeah, that's my boat. People are still swimming around my boat. My boat, talking like it's mine. Alright, if I see the first people going up, then I'm going back. Until then, I'm going to stay here on this beach. Yep, everybody's going on the boat. I swear, everybody's going on the boat. Oh, it will take me at least 3 minutes. Alright, so this is the fun part. Reaching the boat before they leave me. Don't leave me behind. I don't care actually if they leave me behind. It's a beautiful place. We arrived at Isla Saona, but this boat is a little bit too big to go to the beach, so we are getting picked up by the speedboat. And let's wait until it's my turn, because there are a lot of people here on this boat. Alright. Official Isla Saona. So I don't know what the rule is, how long we're going to stay here. Let me ask the tour guide what's included, what's not, and then we can enjoy. Oh, I see a big line over there. If there's a line, then it must be free. Let's see what the free food or free drinks look like. Oh, the buffet. Alright, let me see what they have. Bananas, watermelon. Man. This beach, the surroundings, the quietness. Well, the quietness. There are no people living on this island. It's quiet, but on the other hand, a lot of tourists right over there. That's why I walked a little bit further away to have some me time. I love me time. The people in the red shirt, they are photographers. They come on each boat for people who don't have a GoPro like me or a YouTube channel like me. But I guess you have to pay some fee to get those digital pictures. The further away I go, the more beautiful it gets. Look at this tilted palm trees. Wow. I have no words. The weather is perfect, the sky is blue, it's quiet over here. Look at this, baby. Those palm trees, they fell down, but they made the scenery look even more beautiful. Ooh, those rocks are slippery. Let's go a little bit on this side. Whoop. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah. So there are different ways to go to Isla Saona. The way I did it is I just booked it in advance on getyourguide.com. It cost me 60 euros, a little bit more than $60 American. It's included with drinks, unlimited drinks. There's a good lunch here on this beach, and you go by a catamaran. I don't know how to say it in English. Is it catamaran? Catamaran. Sounds American, right? Just use an American accent and everything is American. Catamaran. So you go with a catamaran and you go back with a speedboat. And it's also possible to go first with the speedboat and go back with the catamaran. So they do this because otherwise everybody will be here on the same time and leaving on the same time, because the catamaran is slower than the speedboat. So that's how they manage all those tourists on the same day on this island. And actually, you know, I'm not that person that goes on a boat with mass tourism, and Isla Saona is a little bit kind of mass tourism, but this island is so big that you have a lot of places where you can have me time, like right now. As you can see in front of me, there's nothing, and I walked so far away that even behind me I don't see nobody. So yep, for 60 euros you have this amazing trip.